Hi everybody, welcome back. We're going to be going over the educational game evaluation rubric. For your app-based game, remember it needs to be a game that you can download from an app store, and you still need to list your educational standards. You're going to be using the same explanation of points. You have the 19 to 27 points, 10 to 18 points, and 0 to 9 points to put it into one of those three categories. As you scroll down, you're going to see the exact same rubric and the exact same blurbs for the criteria and how you score for needs improvement, satisfactory, or exemplary. And you're going to put that score on the right-hand side again. There's going to be a couple of things that you'll notice will be different with an app instead of a website. Gameplay, your instructions might be different. There may be different ways to play with an app instead of using a computer and keyboard. Your navigation is going to be a bit set up a bit different for students. They're not going to have as many tools and buttons as a keyboard would allow or a mouse. So think about those things in the interface tools. You may notice that if you picked a app that also has a website, their educational content also sometimes differs. It just depends on the programming and whatever they decided to transfer over. You also need to think about thoughtful educational strategies and how it relates to those content standards you put at the top. The differentiation of instruction is going to look a little bit different on an app as well, and the teacher interface, because individuals are downloading apps, may be a bit different than logging in to a membership on a website. And game resources could also be looking differently because it is an app and not a website. So those are just a couple of things to pay attention to. Improvements, you may find that you want to improve more things, or you may find more strengths through your app game. Think about how the differences are for the web-based and the